The Leica BLK3D takes photogrammetry to the next level. Its edge computing capabilities allow for real-time, in-picture 3D measurements on a handheld imager. Specifically designed manufacturing processes in our production facility in Austria go beyond standard practices. In-house developed tools and highly skilled production engineers ensure that all BLK3Ds meet the highest quality certification standards. Sensitive components are even produced in dust-free environments. As a result, all mechanical, optical, and highly sensitive electronic parts come seamlessly together during the production process. The unique stereo camera features two 10-megapixel cameras, which are built into a robust metal carrier. This allows for consistent measurement results even under challenging conditions. The synergy of automation and handcrafted parts in the production process ensures the highest precision standards, creating long-lasting, durable devices. Each stereo camera is individually calibrated in a specifically designed process. This is followed by a wide range of other tests, including extensive measurements at high and low temperatures. We believe that such a dedicated and uncompromising production process is the only way to deliver BLK quality. When you receive your BLK3D, it is ready for you to use. The Leica BLK3D. Take a picture, measure anything.